Alright guys, we finally get to run this thing. Had somebody not pay. Hopefully admin deals with that. 12:39 p.m. 12:39 p.m. start time. 48 spots for the Sexton Firebird. There's all 48 spots. Okay, let's go to PayPal. There's some other ones mixed in here, but everybody's paid up. Let's scroll all the way to the top. And Cole and Jacob, thank you for taking those last spots after the dude decided not to pay. Apparently he was off work in a couple hours, or off work in a half hour. Okay, random. Alright guys, Sexton Firebird. Good luck everybody. 33. And 33 takes it. Okay, we've got a winner. Alright, 12:40 p.m. 12:40 p.m. And I can see it right there. It's Harry, number 33. Good win, man. Send me a message and give me your info and I'll get this disc sent out. End statement, 12:41 p.m. 12:41 p.m. Thank you, everybody.